Hi friends, welcome to Mega Technical Hub. This channel is more focused on the technical related to maintenance. For any engineering professional, if they want to build a career in maintenance, then they should have proper understanding of some mechanical technical components like bearings, gearbox, some technical things like lubrication, hydraulics, some condition monitoring tools, vibration analysis, thermography, ferrography, oil analysis, some NDT techniques like UT, MPT, DP, and some problem solving techniques like 7QC tools, etc. This is my introductory class, and this session will be the platform for any freshers, that engineering graduates who are freshers, to learn the new things, and for the experienced professional to enhance their technical knowledge. Okay. From this is the introductory class. I am starting with the maintenance strategies. First, why the equipment fails? Because equipment, there is some forced deterioration and the natural deterioration. It tends to fail the machine. So we need to carry out some maintenance activity to make it functional in operation. Okay. There are 4 types of maintenance strategies generally followed by the any industries. First one is run to failure and corrective maintenance. Generally, when the maintenance is carried out, when the equipment fails to operate, that is called as breakdown maintenance. Generally, we use breakdown maintenance when the failure of the machine is cost of the failure is very less than the cost of the maintenance. For example, we use the electrical bulb in our household items. We fix it and you forget it, and we replace it when it fails. Okay. Yeah, but any industry, we don't prefer to follow the breakdown maintenance, because what happens in industries, if the machine fails, it creates the secondary damage. For example, if you consider the pump, if any bearing damage, then it is the primary damage. It creates the secondary damage as housing damage and shaft damage, etc. And again there will be a production loss. And again, this breakdown maintenance is the unplanned, so there will be a more worker man overtime. Okay, so we don't prefer the breakdown maintenance. Second one is preventive or periodic maintenance. When the maintenance is carried out to avoid the breakdown, is called as a preventive maintenance. It is also called as a time based maintenance. For example, if you consider the automobile, what we do, you generally change the oil after certain operating hours as per the OEM. Okay. If you consider industry as an industry, what happens? All equipments in service, they follow certain trend of a certain failure trend. If you know the failure trend, then you can fix the frequency of the maintenance. Okay. What happens if you fix the frequency, if you fix the interval maintenance is very long, then what happens? The equipment may fail early. Suppose we fix the maintenance interval very short, then what is, there will be a premature of the spare parts replacement. Okay. And generally this preventive maintenance, you just remember the word CLIT. CLIT. Just remember the word CLIT. C means cleaning, L means lubrication, I means inspection, T means tightening. Okay. For whenever you carry out the preventive maintenance, just use the word, remember the word CLIT. Third is predictive maintenance. When some condition monitoring tools are used to predict the health of the machine. Okay. Suppose we have the stomach pain, then we go to the doctor. Then what happens? He used some ultrasound technique to predict our health. Similarly, use the stethoscope to check our heartbeat, to check the thermometer for the temperature, etc. Like in machines, whenever there is a problem, they create some alarms. Okay, we need to listen that alarms. Okay, so for that one, we have using some condition monitoring tools like vibration analysis, some thermography, some ferrography, and some oil analysis, some NDT techniques, UT, MPT, DP. These are the condition tools we are generally used to predict the health of the machine. Generally, when you predict the machine, then we can plan the maintenance activity. So we can properly plan, we can do the maintenance activity by speaking with the operation team. Okay, this one I will explain in my later training classes. Okay, and last one is proactive maintenance. Proactive maintenance means is the maintenance used to extend the life of the any component. Its philosophy is to anticipate and resolve the problem before they become a problem. Okay, so suppose what happens in predictive maintenance, we predict the bearing health, then we replace the bearing when it fails, before it fails. Okay, for example, then what happens in proactive maintenance, we need to analyze why the bearing fails. We need to do the root cause failure analysis of that bearing fail. We need to carry out the corrective actions before again put back into service. For example, if you consider some equipment is there and it requires some lubrication at some intervals, but due to space constraint, you cannot go to the nearby the equipment in running. So equipment fails frequently. Then what happens we redesign it and we fix it a sealed bearing so that both sides is sealed, and we fix it with the grease quantity, fixed grease quantity already was there. So it is a lifetime lubrication. We need not to re-lubricate again. Okay, this is the one of the proactive maintenance. Okay, these are all already explained, all 4 maintenance strategies. Okay, just complete this maintenance strategies. And this if you like my this channel, just please press the like button. If you comment, please comment in the comment box which training do you want in future. Again, please request all to subscribe my channel so that notification will be sent to you whenever I release the new trainings. Thank you. Namaskar.